webafethu yazi take your own time, you understand, ukuthi reach something. I take my own time ukuthi ngireach i-album kaMahu, you understand, ina 3 weeks idochiwe, but I take my own time ukuthi mangireach and then ndilalele. There's a song uMahu afeature khona uZinqumalo ethi sesamukele. Bafethu, I love the fact that these two vocalists hlangana ngemessage iphilayo bafethu. Kunabantu abaningi abanga-understand ukuthi i-3 step, hayi bafethu, i-3 step limnandi. I know i-3 step angeke libe ne-impact nje amapiano ne, but i-3 step limnandi bafethu. Nale ngoma na i-3 step bafethu, yangithola Mahu ufeature uZinqumalo kwi-track called Sesamukele on the album, you understand. Ethini album yakhona ithi amazwi okubonga, yangithola amazwi okubonga, Thanksgiving words, you understand. So it's the best album bafethu. This song into engithanda ngayo, ithanda i-message, you understand. Sesamukele thina sifocusa kuyo, sifocusa kwiphupho, lento sifuna uzibona siyiyo, you understand. Sesamukele ubuthina sometimes bafethu uzaccept ukuthi ubani, unjani, ucabanga kanjani, uhlukene nabanye abantwana, awufani nabanye abantwana, is either uyahlupheka, but la nhlupheka yakuhluka ikwenza ukuthi uhlukane ngizibe kanjani, uhluke kwabanye abantwana. Yes, yakwenza ukuthi uhluke kwabanye abantwana, ungafani nabanye abantwana, uyayibona lonto leyo. And that moment isolated from kwabanye abantwana kulapho uzithola khona, is either sesikolweni, is either waqeda isikolo uselokishini, is either whatever situation okuyo, is either good or bad, but mayenzeka ikwenza ukuthi uhluke kwabanye abantu, ube different. Into ebalekile ukuthi sebenzisa that opportunity ukuthi uzithole, sebenzisa that opportunity mawufike ufike khona. That is why mina ngizithanda ingoma bafethu esifundisa abantu, neyibona lonto leyo, and ingoma ezine message ezozenza ukuthi abantu bagqugquzeleke ukuthi azini mabaphushe ukuthi bomba babe right ebomini, because abantu abaningi bafethu esikhathini samanje sebenza ingoma bafethu ezingena ama meaning, yayibona lonto leyo. And lonto leyo like I contribute anything to this nation, yabo. What they use ukuthi mamela ingoma sibhizi phambi ingoma, but lo ngoma leyo ayikho message esinika yona, ayilokhu change usibona phezulu kwempilo zethu. Is better simamela music esazi ukuthi uzoyichange ubomi bethu, sibe abantu aba-right bafethu. Mengicana manje stream album kaMahu bafethu, it's out there bafethu, imele nina bafethu ukuthi ni stream bafethu. VKS is out.